Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina. I'm an Avon representative. Today we're going to talk about Avon fashion. But before we do that, I just wanted to say if anybody would like to connect with me, feel free to reach out to me via social media. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, and again, as you can see me here, I'm also on YouTube. So anytime you have any questions, just reach out to me, comment below. You'll see my social media handles on the screen. This way you know how to find me. All right, so let's get right to it. So one of the first things I want to talk about today is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this really cute pajama lounge set. It's super comfortable. This is actually a collection from last year's holiday season, 2019 holiday season. I wear it, I love it. It has pockets in it. It's really cute. So I'll just quickly give you a description on it. All right, shine on the season with a star-studded PJ set that instantly takes the center stage. It's called You Glow Girl. So it features a long sleeves top, and it says what it says, as you can see. The length of the center back is 25 inches on medium. Pants inseam length is about 29 inches on all sizes. So it comes in different sizes. You can find this at AzraBeautyHub.com. Just remember, I'm going to talk about fashion today. So I do want to point this out. Avon fashion, it's pretty true to size, okay? That includes the shoes as well. I wear Avon fashion and it's pretty true to size. So just remember that if you have that question, because that's a very frequently asked questions amongst my customers, amongst other representatives, you know, amongst anybody who's looking into the Avon fashion. So this pajama set is actually available while supplies last, of course. It's on final sale for $27.99. So I'm just going to show it to you real quick on the screen here. All right, so you can find this on my website. You will find the link to this down below, so be sure to go ahead and check it out if this is something that interests you. So let's get right to it with a couple of products that I actually got in my shipment last week. First thing is, again, we're going to talk about fashion. I'm going to open each and every one. I'm going to read anything and everything I know about it. This way you can actually go and check it out. So if something that interests you, you go to my website. Okay. So the first item is a scarf neck top, okay? So the scarf neck top, it's a pink pullover with scarf neck design and 3-button detail, okay? Rounded hem with side slits. It's polyester rayon spandex. Center back length is 27 inches 27 inches on medium, okay? And 29.5 inches on a 1X size, okay? It's machine wash, line dry. All right, so this particular product comes in extra small all the way to 3X. Regular price for this is $42.99. You can get it on sale right now for $32.99. So here we go, let's open it. So you can see what it looks like. I really thought this was really cute, and the style is really cute as well. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. Hopefully you can see that. You see this scarf neck right here. I'm going to show the back to you. All right, so you can see it, what they mean by scarf neck. This is where it actually sits. So it kind of, you know, sits right there. You can see the button detail. All right, you can see the sleeves, the long sleeves. You know, I think this is so comfy. Oh my gosh, this is really soft. I really love the material. You know, all the Avon fashion. Really nice material. So I just want to show you something real quick. This particular item, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it has this cute little inseam right here, which I love on my tops anyway. It makes me feel very comfortable. You know, it's not a tight fit. I could wear it with leggings, I could wear it with boots, you know, I could wear it with jeans. You know, you can pretty much dress it up or dress it down, I think, in this particular blouse. So, you know, and I like that it's really soft and comfy. So this is actually one of my favorite products, which is why I took it out first. All right, I'll show you the next item. So the next item is, it's a striped tie-dye, okay? A striped, not a tie-dye, I'm sorry. It's a striped tie sleeve top, okay? They come in 3 different colors. All right, let's take a quick peek at it. It's a pullover top with the 3/4 tie sleeves. So, you know, the one we talked about was a long sleeves. Now this is a 3/4 sleeves, okay? It's rayon, polyester, spandex. The center back length is 26 inches on medium and 28.5 inches on a 1X size. It's machine wash, dry flat, okay, and it's imported. So these come in 3 different colors: blue, comes in gray, and comes in pink. So I have the pink stripe here. It's a really nice sweater feel. So super soft. It feels like a fleece, really. Feels like you're wearing a blanket. It's so cozy. Here we go. All right, so let's open this baby up. All right. So this is actually a size, I'll tell you right now. This is a size small, okay? Remember, they're true to size. All right. This is a size small. All right, it has that high-low look to it at the bottom. All right, hopefully you can see that. Okay, now the thing that I like about this one is that it's a 3/4 sleeves, like I mentioned, and this is really cute. It has that little strings to it at the end, give you a little bit of a, you know, even though it's not just a regular sweater, it gives you a little bit of trendiness to it. Okay, you can tie this up real quick. All right, and I'll show you what it looks like in the brochures with the other 2 colors. This way you can see it, that this is not the only color available to you. All right, you can see some of these colors here. All right, here we go. There you go. So you can find these products on my website, these blouses on my website, all right, these sleeve tops. So this is super, super comfortable. Like I said, I would have loved for you guys to feel this like I am. It's super, super soft, super comfortable. And I actually like the material on this one as well. All right, so the next item we're gonna talk about is, let's see. Okay, so the next item is a drawstring hooded top, all right? Tis the season for hooded tops. So this is actually a size extra small. Okay, so it's a blue long sleeve hooded top with drawstring detail at neckline. The material is rayon, polyester, spandex. The center back length is 26 inches on medium and 28 inches on 1X. They pretty much run the same as far as the length. Machine wash, dry flat, and is imported. These come in extra small all the way through 3X. The price on this is $36.99. You can get it on sale for $27.99. Okay, so here we go. So I can open it so you can see it in person. Okay, here we go. So this is the top right here. And this is all from a Studio 1886 collection that Avon recently launched. Okay, that's the brand name for it. As you can see it, long sleeves, pretty simple, okay, and here we go, and a little hoodie right there. This goes great with an everyday jogger, like if you were going out jogging and you're wearing like these, you know, sneakers, and you're wearing these, you know, lounge pants and stuff. So this would go great with that. I think it would even go great with leggings, maybe some casual boots too. I think it would go great with that as well. So I like that Avon Fashion can go either or. It can go for athletic, it could go for dressing up, dressing down, any which way you like. So that's another thing that I really, really do like about this. So this is a really nice color. All right. So again, this is right now $27.99. Remember, the prices do change depending on what deal is going on at that point. So don't forget to go on my website, because a lot of these products just fly off the shelf sometimes. If they're really popular products, they will fly off the shelf. So if there's something you see here today, go click on that link below and you will see this product and go ahead and purchase it, okay? $40, when you spend $40, you do get an A box for $10 when you spend $40, okay? So always remember that. The A box are the beautiful beauty boxes that have products in there for about $40 or more. So every time you spend $40 with me on my website, you have that opportunity to add that to your order. You can give that as a gift any time of the year, save it for the holidays, whatever you want to do, but don't forget that. And also, when you spend $60 with me, you get free shipping year round, okay? So the next item on the list is an item that was actually, I believe it was introduced in fall of 2020. All right, so it's actually polyester, rayon, and spandex. It's called the double zipper top. Excuse me, with my tongue tied. All right, it's an extra small size. It's gray color. It's pretty cute. I really thought it was really neat. Something different, I thought. All right, I'll show this to you right here. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, the double zipper right here, the zipper actually does open. It's not just for fashion. Not that anyone of us would like to open it, but it actually opens. It's not just for show, okay? And I like that it has these cute little eyelet things here. All right, so it's a different kind of fashion, but it's pretty cool. It's gray, it's a nice color, goes with pretty much anything. You could wear it up, dress it down. All right, and again, check this out. So, and it's a pretty nice length. That's another thing I do like about Avon Fashion. All right, so you can find this on my website. It's called double zipper top. Okay, all right. So one last thing I want to show you guys today, which one of my customers purchased. It's actually size 7, tall riding boot. Okay, perfect for the season and this time of the year. All right, so let's open this up. Let's take a look. And the packaging comes in a really nice packaging. Packaged really nice. This way there's no damages to the boot. Let's take one out so you can see the packaging. Look how cool this is. All right, ready to go. So this is what it looks like on one side. Okay, here we go. And then on the other side. Okay, here we go. There you go. All right, check out those boots. Pretty cool, right? Okay, the heel is not too bad, as you can see. All right, and the zipper is really nice here. Opens all the way. All right, and it's really soft on the inside. Just gonna open this baby up real quick so you can see it. All right, it's so cushiony. It's like has that fuzzy feel to it on the inside. Okay, so these boots are really, really cute and perfect, like I said, for the season. These boots are called tall riding boot. They're new to Avon. They are available now. They only come in black color. They're pull-on boot with full-size zipper and metal buckle detail on the outside. Okay, the outside shaft. So the heel is about 14.5 inches height. Let's see, and 1.5 high. It says 1.5 high Lycra man-made materials. All right, so it's imported. It comes in size 6M all the way through 11M. The regular price for this is $74.99. You can actually get it right now for $59.99. So these are not the only boots available on my website. There are other boots available on my website, so be sure to go ahead and check it out. This is just one of the newer items. They are coming out with a really cute booty. They're really, really cute, perfect for the season, so you could also go ahead and check it out. I might be getting that in my next order, so you will see that. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys here. So this is pretty much it for today for my fashion video. If you like any of these products, remember, just go to AzraBeautyHub.com. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like. Have a great day and always keep smiling.